I'm Shandy Oracion from Block 1. May present to you my video about arithmetic operation, sorting, and charting. First, enter random data into columns. Column A, enter 10 row of numbers. Let's assume this represents sales figures. For example, 100, 150, 200, 125, 175, 220, 180, 250, 190, 210. And column B, enter 10 rows of text. Let's assume these are product names: product A, product B, product C, product D, product E, product F, product G, and product H, product I, and product J. Punta naman po tayo sa perform the four arithmetic operation using formula. In a new column, let's say column C, you'll perfect calculation using the values in column A. Calculation using values in column A. Here are some examples. Addition. In cell C1, enter equals A1 plus A2. This is add the values and cells A1 and A2. Copy this formula down to consecutive pairs of numbers. Subtraction. In cell C11, enter equals A1 subtraction A2. This subtract the value in A2 from A1. Copy this formula down. Multiplication. In cell C21, enter equals A1 multiplied by A2. This multiplies the values A1 and A2. Copy down. Division. In cell C31, enter equals A1 divide A2. This provides the value in A1 by A2. Copy down. Sort data. Sort numbers. Select the numbers and column A, go to the data tab and click sort. Sort the number in the ascending order. Sort text. Select the text and the column B, go to the data tab and click sort. Sort the text alphabetically A to Z. Thank you po.